funny how I spend all this time fixing my camera, when really, it feels like I'm just trying to fix the way I see life. It's like life reminding me to slow down and breathe. I think about my friends a lot. Some stayed, some drifted apart. That's the strange thing about life. People you thought would be permanent sometimes disappear, and the ones you never expected somehow became family. One day it's all laughter and late nights. The next day, you realize months have passed in silence. Maybe that's what makes every moment matter, because nothing is guaranteed to last forever. This camera captures the perfect shots, but it never shows the mistakes, the struggles, the moments I had to try again and again. Tapi mungkin itulah hakikatnya. Tanpa bahagian yang berselera, momen indah tu takkan rasa bermakna. So yeah, I did fix my camera, but maybe what I'm really fixing is myself, sedikit demi sedikit. And if I can hold on to the people and the moments that truly matter, mungkin itu saja yang saya